Hello, we all, you all and me also, are on IPSA Education channel, and I am IPSA. Okay, so today we are taking a question from chemistry, or you can say chemical reactions also. So that when you try to burn a magnesium, see, magnesium is usually in the market found in the form of a ribbon, a wire kind of a thing. तो उसको व्हेन वी वांट टू बर्न इट इन द लैब, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट घिस के उसको साफ करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, उसमें से काला काला सा ग्रे कुछ जम जाता है और उसको साफ करना पड़ता है, और तब उसको हम अगर बर्न करना चाहें तब बर्न होता है. अगर वो काला काला ग्रे के साथ हम जलाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो रिबन डजंट वर्क. डर्टी रिबन डज नॉट वर्क. सो उसी का दिस इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज कि why do you have to clean it? है तो magnesium ही ना, then why do you have to clean it? Magnesium is very reactive metal. Okay, now let's understand. Basically shops में या कहीं पे भी, even labs में magnesium जैसे रखा होता है ना, किसी डब्बे में भी अगर है, then also it is in contact with air, right? So first of all, and it is very reactive. Magnesium is very reactive. So what happens is when it is just kept in a container, this magnesium is kept in the container. Okay, it has access to air, and by burning in air we mean oxygen. Last video also we had done ki nitrogen is not reactive, other things are very low quantities in air. So the only option for anything when burnt in air is oxygen. So and उसको air में contact है, then what happens is Mg reacts. This is basically Mg. Then what happens? So it becomes Mg reacting with, you can say, oxygen or air to form magnesium oxide. Okay, now this magnesium oxide has that blackish grayish color. Gray, just like gray color. तो वो होता है जो हमें ऊपर से दिखता है, जो काला काला ग्रे दिखता है, it is magnesium oxide which we see. अब अगर हम डायरेक्टली रिबन ऐसे रख देंगे dirty, तो MgO doesn't burn easily, it doesn't burn at all. So suppose this is the wire, correct, and this is magnesium oxide which has covered it, जो इसके ऊपर सारे में लगी हुई है. Now if I try to burn it, it will not burn. Why will it not burn? क्योंकि वो लेयर नहीं बर्न होती है, नहीं करने देती है बर्निंग, तो बर्न पूरा का पूरा मैग्नीशियम नहीं बर्न होगा. So here we can say no burning. But suppose we clean this, then what will happen? Then we'll have a entire magnesium wire in place. Now Mg is very reactive, so now if you heat it in air, this is also in presence of air and this is also in presence of air. So a dirty ribbon, when heated and air, it does not react at all. Now but a clean, this is clean, this is dirty, a clean magnesium wire when burned in air, means oxygen, it no what am I doing? So okay, I missed a step in between. So you clean it. First thing is you clean it, remove the impurities or the Mg oxide layer. Okay, when you clean it, you get this clean magnesium wire. And now if you burn it, now it will give you, now you burn it, it will give you MgO. Alright, now how do we know कि burn हो गया है? Is first of all there will be a lot of sparks. There will be some form of light coming from it. There will be change of state. Mostly this will become like a powder. This will become like a powder kind of a thing. This is like a solid kind of a thing, and this is also solid kind of a thing. So the crux of the matter is, first of all, magnesium is covered with magnesium oxide because of the air. Air उसको magnesium oxide बना देती है, मगर it is only on the top surface. अंदर नहीं बना पाती, सिर्फ top surface पे बना देती है. Top मतलब all around. फिर उसको भी जलाने से वो नहीं जल पाता है magnesium wire because of Mg. Third point, then we have to clean it. We clean away, फेंक देते हैं MgO layer. Now we are left with pure magnesium. Magnesium being reactive, it immediately reacts with air now. यहाँ पे MgO is not reacting with air. Here it immediately burns with magnesium and forms MgO powder. This was MgO layer on magnesium. This is MgO powder which is obtained after the reaction. That's it, I think. This is like silver white metal. Clean करने के बाद हमें क्या मिलेगा? Silver white object, which is clean Mg. So hope this question is clear. It's not just difficult at all. Thank you.